IDOS consists of two pieces of experimental equipment, one for sight and one for hearing. We found that while we experience the world as many overlapping signals, we can use technology to first isolate and then amplify the one we want. Our first device applies this approach to the way we see motion, achieving a similar effect to long exposure photography, but for live experience. By detecting and overlaying movement, it allows us to see hidden traces and patterns in real time. It features a camera and head-mounted display and works by sending captured video to a computer where it is processed by custom software and then displayed for the viewer. Our second device lets us hear speech more selectively. Distracting background noise is neutralised, while the speech you want to focus on is sent directly to your inner ear.
So, can you hear me now? Yes? Good, I can hear you.
It uses directional microphones to capture audio input that passes through the software before being outputted through speakers and transducers. Unlike standard headphones that have two channels, left and right, our device has three, the two earpieces plus a central mouthpiece for speech. Thought, post-match analysis is often used as a tool to enhance players' performance. By using IDOS Vision, we could analyse motion live, letting the player or coach visualise performance as it happens. This could also enhance the action for spectators. With the evolution of our software, IDOS can be applied to fashion or ballet, bringing a whole new feature to arts and live performance. Not only are sight and hearing our most important senses, they are also our least stable, declining earlier in life than touch, taste or smell. We see applications of IDOS in strengthening signals weakened by ageing and disability. Being able to hear more selectively would have benefits for children with ADHD by helping them to concentrate in busy or distracting environments.
This is our newest Need backpack, Uno, a customizable, multifunctional pack for everyday use. At Need, we really enjoy the challenge of creating new concepts with customers in mind. This new pack, Uno, is all about aesthetics, simplicity, and versatility. Our challenge is to design a fully customizable tool with a single zipper and piece of fabric. With so many different styles of packs on the market, making a multifunctional pack that is not bulky just made sense. One simple solution for a variety of situations, slim, elegant, and sexy. Uno brings together our commitment to exciting style and unique functionality. As your needs change over time, you will find the intelligent and instinctive function will change with you. Whether you're commuting to work, taking pictures, biking, or enjoying the outdoors, or just getting exercise, the Uno backpack can be customized to each purpose depending on what you need. Our convenient features also include a quick and easy way to access your cell phone and gadgets, a pocket that will keep your valuables secure, and even a thoughtful way to charge your gadgets. When you are storing Uno, unzip it, roll it up, and store it flat. We hope you will enjoy what we have done. Thank you for considering our product.